Put it next to that one. Oh. Is that a good one?
I'm so excited. Wow, that is like a massive, massive accomplishment.
Saving the world starts at our fingertips. Gardens root us to nature, to each other, and to our happiness. And plants are at the heart of any garden, and we nurture them wherever they are. At the RHS, we believe that if you have plants, you're a gardener. And the world is facing multiple crises, from the climate emergency to biodiversity loss to huge economic and social upheavals. And we know that gardening can be integral to helping to address these. And this is why today we're launching our new strategy to be there for everyone on their lifelong adventure with gardening.
It's really important for children to have the education sessions with RHS. We show them things that are possible that they might not have seen before. I know that many of them haven't seen before, because you can see it written all over their face that this is the first really big experience of what a garden can be.
Coming to this garden is like coming to your happy place. It just lifts you so much. I was very worried to start with when I retired after working a long time. And I just feel good about myself now.
Being an RHS apprentice is really amazing. It gives me so many opportunities, and it also gives me just a strong network of people that are like-minded and supportive.
So for me, it's about looking at gardening through a scientific lens to find solutions to some of the big challenges that we face in the world. But we've got to look at the science which can help solve those crises.
Like getting into gardening, there's that connection in nature that is like cemented into your head. So you'll want to protect what you have, and I really hope that we do.
When you live in a city and you have a small space like a balcony, you don't necessarily feel or believe that you can be a real gardener. But over the past 2 years, I realised that that's not the case, and you can do it, you can have a garden.
For me personally, to be able to come out and share this beautiful space lifts me, just because I'm able to create a little living environment, if you will, and to me that's nothing but a win, really. It's pretty cool.
Having people gardening together side by side, you end up talking, and it's always therapeutic being able to connect and learn about each other's lives and life stories and what's brought us here, and the gardening that connects us. So it's something that really brings us all together.
We know that everyone's journey with gardening is different. It starts in different places at different times, and we want to be there for everyone at every stage on their lifelong journey with gardening. Gardening creates a healthier nation. It creates thriving environments. It's fundamental to every life and every society. Everyone deserves to spend time in nature, immersing their hands in the soil, or just sitting in a green, calm space, enjoying the wildlife and the beauty around them. Few activities bring so many benefits to so many people. So that's why we believe that from beginners to experienced horticulturalists, from houseplants and local gardens to big national gardens, we believe that everybody should have the right to have access to gardening, and that gardening should be embraced as a way of life for everybody. And that's why saving the world really does start at our fingertips.